Hi everyone. So in my last video I had shown you how to connect and configure the any of the smart plug using Smart Life application. In this video I'm going to show you how to operate that smart plug using Alexa application. So as you can see, I already have my Alexa app open here, and as soon as I configured the plug into the Smart Life application, that particular plug would start appearing here in the devices section. As you can see, I have a plug already, one plug is already seen here. Now one thing to note is that I have just renamed the plug here name to something which is more easy to talk, more easy to speak. So I have given the name as AC plug. Remember, this name can always be different than what you have given in the Smart Life application as well, because this is a name that you're going to use to communicate via Alexa application. So as you can see that there is the setting icon here on the top. I can just click on that, and then I can always change the name the way I want. And you can see the other settings here, that it is already connected via Smart Life. There's a description there, the type of device is plug, and the particular device is enabled. Now as you can see in the AC plug section, I can see that this device is currently off. Now one of the good utility that I have found using Alexa is to schedule this one. Of course, the voice command is definitely one great thing that you can always turn on. Let's say, for example, in my case, I'm using this device for controlling the AC. So I can always give voice commands to Alexa, and then it will control my AC on or off. One great thing that I found out about the Alexa, especially using this smart plug, is to set up a routine. So let's say in my case, what I have done is that I wanted to set up a routine to manage the timing of my AC. So every day, let's say I want to set up a routine. Let's say at night I go to bed at around 11:30. So at that time, what I want is that the AC is something that I would turn it on by the voice command. But at every day at night, to kind of optimize the power consumption, I want to turn off the AC, let's say after a few hours. Let's say I want to turn off the AC at 2 a.m. So what I can do is that I can simply go and create a routine here. I'll just give some name here, AC schedule. And this routine, since I want to be executed at a particular schedule, so I can set up here as a schedule, and I'll say select time. I'll probably select, let's say, 2 a.m. Okay, and I want this one to be on every day. And the action that I want to perform on this time is to operate my plug. So I'll go to the action section, add new, scroll down to the smart home. I'll go to the all device, and I'll select my plug. As you can see, all my smart devices are currently appearing here, and I can just select AC plug, and I will tell the routine that at 2 a.m. I want the AC to be turned off. So I'll just select off. Now after, let's say I want to keep the AC off for, let's say, 1 hour, and after 1 hour I want to start the AC again. So I'll just set up another action here, which is called as wait. I'll add a 1 hour wait time here, and then I want the AC to be turned on again. So I'll go to smart home, I'll go to all device, AC plug, and I will keep the power on, and I'll make sure that the sequence is proper. So I'm going to off the AC, then I'm going to have a 1 hour wait time, and then I'm going to turn on the AC. Then again, let's say if I want to turn off my device after, let's say, 4 hours, or probably say 3 hours, so I can set that up further, and then I can turn off my AC in the morning. So as you can see, I've just added here. Let's just rearrange this a little bit. So at 2 a.m. I'm going to off the AC, then I'm going to wait for 1 hour, then I'm going to on the AC, and then I'm going to keep it on for 3 hours, and after 3 hours I'm going to off the AC. And this is how, once I feel that this is all right, I'm going to just going to click on the save. So this new routine gets saved here. So this is how anytime you can create your routine, and this is how you can make it work. I hope you like watching this video. If you have any questions, feel free to post it in the comment section, and also if you have any suggestion on certain functionality with Alexa or even using IFTTT, I'm going to be I'll be more than happy to create some videos on that. Thank you so much for watching this.